One of the most important steps while connecting your smartwatch to your phone is finding and scanning the QR code on the smartwatch to download the correct application. You can find the QR code on the smartwatch in the menu or in the settings, on the smartwatch box or in the instruction manual. If you still can't find your smartwatch QR code, leave a comment below with your brand and model and I will try to find it for you. You can scan the QR code on the smartwatch using the camera on your smartphone. Make sure to activate the scan QR code setting in the camera. Alternatively, you can go directly on your Google homepage and scan the QR code as shown. I have posted a full step-by-step video on how to connect any smartwatch to your phone. You can find the video on the screen right now. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.